Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I am going to be showing you how to make street style cabbage Manchurian. So let's get started. Firstly, take a fresh cabbage and cut it into small pieces. In a bowl, add cut pieces of cabbage, add little salt, some ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and some black pepper powder. Also add little all-purpose flour and corn flour. Then mix it well with water. Fry the mixture in heated oil until golden brown. Now transfer it into a plate. Next, in a pan, heat some oil, add sliced onions and saute well for some time. Also add chopped garlic and green chilies. Next, add a pinch of salt, little chili vinegar, red chili sauce, tomato sauce, and mix well. Then add the fried Manchurians into the mixture and mix it well. Our street style cabbage Manchurian is ready. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.